Good morning, candidates. Central Bank of India interview questions asked earlier and expected this time. Now we are in May 2023. What do you know about Central Bank of India? Where is its headquarters? How many branches are there? So details about head office, growth, results, who is CMD, how many directors, what are the new products introduced by them, if they have entered into any memorandum of understanding with other organizations, what are they? Yeah. Then what is goodwill or patent? It's an intangible asset. How it is treated in balance sheet, it is given in the asset side. What are the other components of balance sheet like liabilities, assets? What are the various items that will appear under the liability side? Then say capital, reserves, then long-term liability, short-term liability, sundry creditors, asset side, fixed assets like land, building, machinery, vehicles, etc. And also say current assets like balance with other balance kept in other banks or sundry debtors, then stocks, etc. Under liabilities, we will also have dues to banks, current liabilities, long-term liabilities, etc. Then tell us about your experience, which product you are confident. Like KCC, if you are a relationship manager, about your role, then you must know deeply about that product and what are the recent changes that have been brought about that. Then are you ready to relocate? You have to say answer as yes. Then what interest rate is charged in interbank borrowings? It is MIBOR, Mumbai Interbank Offered Rate, for overnight charging. Then about monetary policy, about RBI circulars, master circulars, I suggest you go through our CTDI magazine. Then priority sector lending, then about urban cooperative banks, government schemes like PPF, NPS, IBC, Surface C, etc. This is one thing. Now, apart from that, I have already given you this material in the say folder given to you. In that, I have given like this. The questions will be based on RBI, about CRR, SLR, base rate, lead bank scheme, repo rate. Now I think they can ask you about MCLR, then reverse repo rate, small banks, payment banks, governors of RBI, present governor, past governors, deputy governors of RBI, credit policy of RBI, NPA, prompt corrective action, priority sector advances, about merchant banking, about housing finance, about export finance, retail lending, then jewel loans, or gold loans, mortgages, hypothecation, pledge, about documentation, limitation in respect of documents, about RRBs, NABARD, IDBI, C.B.I, Chairman of Nationalized Banks, ECGC, Niti Aayog, Chairman, Deputy Chairman, functions of Niti Aayog. Now, I have given 15th. Has 16th Finance Commission come? I'm not sure. We should check it up whether 16th Finance Commission has come. India, 16th Finance Commission. What is the latest Finance Commission and who is the chairman of that? It has not come. Government to establish 16th Finance Commission. It has not come yet. So no problem. So bank interview questions, once again, I am sharing because I interpret. Yeah. So about Finance Commission, then chairman and other details about 14th Finance Commission. 16th is going to come. Which bank? Of course, this question will not apply to you because you're all bank employees. Then about deposit schemes of your bank, loan schemes of your bank, performance of your bank, profit, number of branches, ATMs. Then about central bank also you must know. Then about internet banking, mobile banking, debit card, credit card, demand draft, checks, of course, negotiable instrument. These are all very basic questions which is normally asked in the PO level. Then NEFT, RTGS claims in respect of deceased depositors, types of accounts such as individuals, different types of accounts. Then CTS, core banking solution, computerization of banks, Wi-Fi and internet banking, education loans, agriculture loans, industrial loans, vehicle loans, infrastructure loans, saving, intricate details about experience in respect of savings bank account, current account, fixed deposit. These are very basic questions. Reinvestment deposit, recurring deposit, interest rates, savings bank and time deposit rates, opening of accounts, closure of accounts, role of banks in Indian economy, importance of rural development. Of course, this will not be there for you. These are all questions which is normally asked for, say, PO level. For you, your strengths, your weaknesses, your achievements, hobbies, about your family. Of course, this will not be asked. What do you know about bank? Of course, this also will not be asked. Why should you be selected in relation to others? Future of banks in India, about insurance, life insurance, general insurance, companies, policies, details. Economy, Indian economy, 3 divisions of economy like primary, secondary, tertiary. Role of these and their contribution to Indian economy, 5-year plans, how to eradicate poverty. What role will you play in the bank? How will you fit into that role? How will you manage an irate customer? How are you doing it? Because you are all experienced people. Then rough staff members, those who are not obliging, drunkards, how will you manage? Ancillary banking services like locker, safe custody, merchant banking, bank assurance, mutual funds, etc., C.B.I, stock market, mutual fund, demat accounts. Questions based on current affairs in the last, not even 3 months, 1 month. Yeah, mostly related to bank. This, they may not ask you about sports and all. Union ministers list, state minister list, basic statics, capitals of states, countries. Of course, this much detail they will not go. Of course, demonetization and all, there won't be much discussion. Then Swachh Bharat, Aadhaar, Manik Bath, Man Ki Baat, Jallikattu. This was there, very important earlier, not now. Jallikattu may not be required now. And recent elections. Please search in bank interview, banking related general awareness and read. And then frame questions for each topic: what, when, why, where, which, who, how, and frame answers and you can answer them. As I have told already, for joining our group, you have to pay rupees 315 to Gpay. Number is 9003037557. And then you have to send screenshot to WhatsApp number 8072177482. And also you should fill a Google form. I will give that in the comments column. And then you also indicate in the WhatsApp your suitable date for your interview. What is the timing suitable? I am staying in Canada. So what is the suitable time? I normally take classes from evening 5 o'clock till evening 10, night 10 o'clock, 10:30, like that, 11 also. And if you can take in the morning, say before going for office, you can tell me. I can arrange for it. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Thank you. And any questions are there, you can always send it to comments column or through WhatsApp 8072177482. Thank you so much. This is being live telecast in YouTube.